What's up, you guys? It's a beautiful morning today, and having an issue of last night. A dumbass driver in a Challenger Hemi smashes right into the freaking work van. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Stupid people, bro. Stupid, bro. Look at that shit. Originally last night, that one, the one over there, was back here and then smashed into this one. So you see that damage. But yeah, they picked up the Mustang and everything. That's where the collision was at. And then the other van was pushed all the way to like right here, and this van was over here. Damn. But enough about that, about stupid people. I'll probably put some images on the crash at the end of this video, but stay tuned. I'm gonna put new tires on my car. And yep, let's do this. Haven't really been driving her much because the fact that my back tires are all chewed up. So what I'm gonna do is just get the new tires in. Stupid people, bro. Stupid people. And the crazy thing is, I think it was about a year ago now when my Dodge Neon got crashed. The one I had on my very first videos when I started YouTubing, and I was like putting in subs on my car. Like if you check out my channel and go back in time, I was putting in subs on my car. That's what I was into. I'm not saying I'm not into subs anymore, but that's what I did. I love doing that. But same way, he smashed into my car from the corner. You'll see in the pictures at the very end of the video. I'll put them up. But smashed right into the corner of my car, the back, the rear left side. Hitting it, it was a Mustang, hitting it, bouncing off, and then bouncing into my dad's work van, a white Astro van, bouncing off that, going into my neighbor's front yard, going all the way through, and then smashing into her front porch. And he just runs off. So hit and run. We had an issue of getting paid and the proof of the driver, who it was. But now that all that got settled off, I got about 2 G's off the car because it had a good paint job on it. The miles were pretty good, I guess, and all the stuff. And then added apart from the money I was saving up, I put down about $4,000 down on this car, this Jetta. And thankfully, I haven't parked my car there on that same spot where those vans were, because I used to park my Neon there. But now since I've been parking over here at the neighbor's house on their driveway, or if not that, on our driveway, like sideways. Good thing I've been doing that, because if my car was parked there, fuck, man, it would have been crazy. Well, right now I'm gonna go on down to Fry's. I'm about to go deposit some money. I already got the tires on and everything. Once I get there, I'll put on some video of it. Just that I was talking to my father for a bit, and then just talking to my neighbor for a bit. But yeah, thankfully everything's good. We called the police and everything. We filed a report about what happened. Well, he filed a report for us. He made a report for me because one of the vans is under my name. Another report for my father because this other van is in his name. And obviously one for the Mustang, so for the guy, I guess, but he wasn't there. But yeah, and then that guy ended up coming today to apologize. He ended up saying sorry, and I don't remember what happened. He was hella drunk. He had a bottle where his feet were at. He had a gun on the floor. He had all his papers out from his glove compartment, from like all the registration and everything. This dude is straight up stupid, dude. Like, I don't get it. It's like, and the funny thing is, well, I don't even know if it's funny anymore, but like, most of these people who end up crashing all the time is always muscle cars. From Mustangs, Challengers, Chargers. You see all these videos on YouTube about Mustangs, like the way how they always lose control and everything. Like, it's all the cars, like it's all the muscle cars. Like, it's just crazy. And the proof is my house got crashed, or the vehicles at my house got crashed twice by only muscle cars. Like, what the hell? And then yeah, there's been some other crashes across the street, and I guess like as the years went by, but I mean, still, like, it's just stupid. I don't know how these people get these fast ass cars, because like the one we saw was an RT. It was a Hemi Challenger, the 2015. But I mean, I don't know why these people get these cars if they don't even know how to drive them, you know what I mean? to the damn surroundings, and I drive at 2 in the freaking morning, all drunk and shit, trying to go to a girl's house. Cause he came with his girl. They don't live together. They live apart, a few miles apart actually. And then, yeah, it was just happened to be that our house was in the direction of her house, and we just got hit. But and also what makes it crazy is that last night after the hit happened, we all came outside crazy, just rushing, my family and the neighbors, to check out what happened, to just see what happened. And the guy actually came back like 15 minutes later, before the cops came. But he came 15 minutes later, and he started like, I guess he just lied to us, saying that because my dad asked him, he was next to him, he asked him like, hey, is this your car? He says no. They called me, they told me something happened. But bullshit, that was him. The next day he told us that was him. And then he just ends up like, he just dipped off last night. He just dipped off after he told us that, and he just dipped off. Because he also left his wallet, he left his ID, he left everything, his gun, his beer bottle, everything. So you'll deposit this money real quick and I'll get back to you guys. Yo, back in the whip. But I wanted to say that thankfully everything's done, like the report and stuff. So now it's time to get to the real shit of trying to get paid from the insurances. And yeah. But back to the video. Well, I guess that's the main video. That's gonna be the headline of the video, this crash. But my tires right now, they say they're the same size. They're 225 45 by 17. That's the size of the tires. Supposedly the same size as my regular tires, but apparently they're, I guess, where it inserts into the rim, it itself, that's the same size, yeah. But like once it inserts, it has like a outwards position. Like after it goes on, it has an outwards motion of the tire that makes it a lot better, so it gets a lot more grip. And then I guess in the performance, it's like an A rating, grip A rating, handling A rating, this and that. But the fuel economy is bad, and it's not that good. I guess it's like ranked, I don't know, like D out of like A through F, something like that. And so is what do you call it, the road noise. So I guess performance tires, always come with downfalls. Like a little bit of a downfall, I guess, from that, but I don't really care though. This car itself has a pretty good suspension, pretty soft. But ever since I dropped it to 2 inches on all around on the vehicle, yeah, you feel more of the stuff, but still a soft suspension either way. And these tires don't feel that bad. And let me just get some. I'm gonna get a roll shot right now of the tires, show you guys real quick on how they look like. Not as wide as my hand. I think it's like 7 inches, 8 inches across. The size right there. Still looking pretty clean. She just needs a car wash. Shouldn't look too bad. You guys see a lot of shakiness in my videos. It's because I don't have the gimbal. I'm gonna try to get a gimbal. I think it's like 200 bucks for the GoPro. It'll be pretty sick. I'll probably test shoot it too, and everything. You know what, might as well, since I'm here, I'll give you guys some clips of the exhaust. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. That's enough for the video, and then just stay tuned for the pictures I'll be posting up right now. Peace.